Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today we're going to be doing the water test with the brand new Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, if you watch this channel, you remember last year that I did a water test with the original Galaxy Buds, and to be honest with you, the video ain't really work out all that well. Now, I don't know if y'all remember this, but I had like a whole bunch of technical difficulties with like my memory card like crashing and me losing a lot of footage and all that. I had to do like 2 videos, and then with the video I still have up, even though the water test video that I have up now went like fairly well, I still lost a clip on there, and like it was a clip I really wanted to get on there, which was really annoying, but I don't know, man, it just didn't work out overall. I don't know why the whole world was against me, but it just happened, man, and we're gonna just try this again. Now, basically, we're gonna go ahead and change things up from last year. So basically with last year, I went ahead and did a water test under the shower, and under that shower, I went ahead and did the case and the earbuds themselves. Like I just put it under the shower like this. Now, I don't really know why I included the case. I just really wanted to water test them, but I could have just put the earbuds themselves under the shower. Like nobody's gonna be taking their case inside the shower or when they're in the rain or whatever. They might have it in their pocket. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and change things up this year. So basically what I'm gonna go and do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the earbuds out the case. I'm gonna put them actually in my ear and actually get in the shower. And then I'm gonna go and do the same washer test that I went ahead and did last year. And we're gonna just go ahead and see if they work out and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in rice, and then a couple of days later, I'll go and do a video, see if they still work fine. Now, here's the things with the Galaxy Buds Plus. So the water resistance you get on these is only IPX2. So to begin with, I don't even know why I'm doing this video. Like, I'm just doing entertainment quarantine videos. I mean, since we're all stuck in the house anyway. And you shouldn't be taking these out to begin with, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if they work anyway. So now that you're all caught up, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm in my bathroom right now, and I mean, you can see right here that these things actually do work. Like we got 99%, 100%, and 98% on the case. Now, if I go over to the Galaxy Wearable app, go over to find my earbuds, let's go and take these out real quick. And I don't know if you can hear this right now, but they do work. So now it's time for me to get in the shower after I literally just got out the shower, and now I'm about to get back in again, even though I'm just turning on the water and that's it. But I don't know, we're gonna go and see if these things work fine in the rain, or if you really want to go ahead and shower with these things, even though I told you not to. But let's go ahead and do that then. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the shower. Okay then, maybe I should go ahead and move that. But alright y'all, let's go and do this. Alright y'all, so I'm in the shower right now. I literally just threw on what I used to swim with. But you can see I got Spotify pulled up right now, and I'm about to go and turn on the shower. So let's go ahead and start this music. Let's go ahead and hit it later. The music's on right now though, so let's go ahead and turn on the shower. So here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and get under the shower more. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, so the music just paused because it thought I tapped it. Let me go and do that again. Alright. And it keeps pausing, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and lock the touchpad if I do this next time. So let's go ahead and keep doing this. The music's still going though, surprisingly, even though it keeps pausing because of the water touching it. But alright, so I think we're about to get out of here in a minute. It just keeps touching and everything. But so far though, the music hasn't had any problems yet. So I just went ahead and locked the touchpad right here. So now, let's go and do this again. Alright then. There's like no issues with this thing though. That's pretty surprising, man. Alright. So, I think it's time to get out of here. So let me go ahead and stop this shower right here. Alright then. Wow. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. Oh, I forgot I can't pause it that way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. I just went ahead and paused it. But yeah, this whole time, like after I went ahead and paused these things, and it's still like giving me notifications, everything right now. There's like 0 problems with these things. Like that's really surprising, man. But let me go ahead and get out of the shower, man. Alright y'all, so this is me coming straight out the shower with these Galaxy Buds Plus, and yeah man, I'm really surprised with these Galaxy Buds Plus. Like that was nice to see. That was really nice, and you can see I'm recording on my S20 Ultra right now because autofocusing issues. Seriously man, that update did nothing to fix this. But yeah, so just looking at these Galaxy Buds, they look kind of dry and everything because I was handling it, but yeah, it it doesn't have any problems. That's crazy. Now let me go ahead and go to the Galaxy Wearable app to see if everything look good. So go on the Galaxy Wearable. Let's go back here. Oh, wait, hold on. I was kind of worried for a minute, but my Bluetooth turned off for some reason. But okay, so look at that. The Galaxy Buds show up just fine. That's dope, man. Okay, why did it disconnect? All right, so it's working again right now. The touchpad's still locked, as you can see. And let's go ahead and do the Find My Earbuds thing. So let's go ahead and see if they sound fine. So let's go and wait for that. Wait for it. It's getting louder. And there we go. So it sounds exactly the same as before. Now let me go and play some actual music again. Oh man. Man, that's cool, man. It sounds exactly the same as if I didn't even go in the shower. Okay, like I'm really impressed with these things. Even though like the water probably didn't get all the way in my ear, it still was in my ear. So that's nice. Let's go and take off these ear tips real quick and look in there. All right, so the pool table's all wet right now from like the water falling out of my hair. But yeah, so just looking at the earbuds right here, like I don't see any water inside of them. I'm pretty sure water probably still got inside of them, but I don't see any. So yeah, the Galaxy Buds Plus easily get a pass for the shower test. Now, I still wouldn't go in the shower with these things, especially because like I don't like wearing anything while I'm in the shower because I want to get everywhere. So I wouldn't even have thought about that in the first place, but I just still wouldn't go in the shower. And I think if you get caught in the rain, you should be good. Let's go and try one more thing, and that's charging them. So let's go ahead and put in the left earbud. Let's go put in the right earbud. And they seem to be charging just fine, man. So yeah, definitely these things get a pass. Let's go over to the Galaxy Wearable app. Let's see if they're charging right. And yup, they look to be good. All right, now let's go and do the washer test. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of these clothes and I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so it's a few hours later, and surprisingly, man, these earbuds ain't been acting up, like they've been straight. But now we're about to go ahead and throw these things up in the washer, so I'm gonna go and use these shorts and go and throw it up in this pocket or something. But yeah, let me go ahead and start something real quick. Man, I hate this S20 Ultra autofocus. I have to just tap on this to focus on stuff. But all right, let me go and take this out the case again, and you'll be able to see that it's still working. And listen to that. So it's gonna get louder progressively in a minute. Check that out. Still working, man. That's crazy, man. That's dope. All right, let's go ahead and throw these up in here. So we're about to go ahead and throw it up in this pocket. All right, so cool. There we go. Let's go and throw it up in there. And now let's go ahead and get some detergent or something. All right, so let's go and pour some up in here. All right, then I don't need to be pouring all that much. I can afford to ruin some Galaxy Buds, but I can't afford to lose out on detergent. That stuff just too expensive, man. But all right, then let's go ahead and do this. So I got the soap in there. We're gonna just be doing a full wash right here. So let's go and put it on super wash. Go and put it on small. Temperature's fine. Let's do an extra rinse too. All right, so dope. That's what we're gonna be doing right there. We're gonna be doing water and the detergent, obviously, like you can see it right there. And this should be going for maybe, I don't know, about an hour or so. And we gonna see what happened after that. And if the case messes up, we're gonna go ahead and try the original Galaxy Buds case because the Buds Plus actually work in the Buds case, surprisingly. Like if you saw my unboxing on that, yeah, it's dope. I'm saying dope way too much. But all right, then let's go and do this. We're about to go ahead and let this go through its whole cycle and everything. And I'll get back to y'all. I'll get back to y'all like mid-wash or something like that. All right, y'all. So the wash is going right now. So if I go and open this thing up, you can see it's going right now. And I actually went ahead and put a couple more things in here because it only felt right. And man, look at all that detergent. Like I put way too much in there. But let me know in the comments below or the poll above. Do you think these Galaxy Buds Plus will survive? Me personally, man, I don't think so. Like the Galaxy Buds Plus have the same water resistance as the Galaxy Buds original, so I don't think anything's gonna change. But I'll get back to y'all when it gets to the spin cycle and then all that good stuff. So, oh my god, I just broke the thing. Yo, oh god, I reattached the string. But if I wasn't so heavy-handed, that wouldn't be a problem, man. All right, y'all. So as you can see, let me go ahead and open this thing up. We're on a spin cycle right now. And I'm gonna go and let this thing run through, but basically at this point, I'll just get back to y'all when we're done with the last spin cycle. Probably gonna be about another 45 minutes until we're finally done with this, but after that, oh, wait, it just stopped. Okay, now we're back on the rinse again, so it shouldn't be no 30 minutes probably. It'll probably be shorter than that. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all then. That was the last cycle. All right, dope, we're done. Let's go and find these Galaxy Buds. Good thing I washed these hoodies anyways, because it smells like love and burnt toaster. Don't ask. But let's go ahead. Oh, whoa, there we go. So here's the Galaxy Buds Plus. They looking kind of dirty, not gonna lie, but let's go and check these things out. Alright, y'all, so I want to apologize in advance, but I'm actually in the car right now. I know it sounds super weird, but it's like late right now, and I can't wait to do this video till the morning because, well, they're gonna get drier by then. But I mean, it is what it is. You gotta make stuff work sometimes. So we got the Galaxy Buds right here. I got my Galaxy S10 Plus that these were connected to, and I didn't do anything with these yet. I got my portable charger right here, so we can go ahead and see if these things charge. And grand finale, let's go ahead and do this. So get your final votes in. Do you think that this is gonna survive? My final vote, I think it might, but the thing is, like, it won't sound good at all. So, are y'all ready, man? I'm nervous. Let's go and do this now. And, nope. Oh, man, I don't see any type of... Whoa, no way. Hold on a second. Do you see that right there? Yo, it's okay, it just disconnected. But it just showed that's connected. Look at this real quick. So let me try to connect these back again. Yo, they're actually connected. That's crazy. Okay, like, I'm impressed, all right? Now, the problem is I don't see any type of light here with these Galaxy Buds. Like, they're just out, I guess. But, I mean, they're connected. Wow, that's crazy. Now, let me go and put these things in my ear and see how these sound. I don't really see any water in here. Let's look in the case real quick. And, yeah, I mean, I don't see any water in there either. Oh, wait, I just lied to y'all. I see some water on there. Not a lot, though. Now, let me go and put these in my ear. Let's go and play something real quick. So, let's go over to Spotify. Let's see something here. And, whoa, I can actually hear something right now. So, okay, whoa, hold on. Do you hear that? It's breaking up a lot. But they're actually playing. But it sounds terrible, but they're still playing. Wow. Okay then, that's actually pretty cool. So I wonder if these things dry out, they'll sound better. Wow, okay then. So that was the Galaxy Buds Plus, man. These things kind of look soaked right now, but I can't believe, let me go and put in the right one. So the right one sounds equally as terrible, but here's the thing, they still work. That's the most impressive part. And I don't really see the pausing working right now. Let me go ahead and take these out and then just like hold them like this. Yeah, they don't really seem to be pausing. Now I can go ahead and try to put these things in my ear and see if the touchpad work. And nope, touchpad not working. I'm touching it right now, it doesn't work. Like, watch me do this. They're not doing anything right now and it's still paused. So now we're about to go ahead and plug these things in. Don't do this at home. But let's go and try this. So we got on the wireless charger dual right now, and I don't see any red light, but it is on right now. So Galaxy Buds are not charging. Let me go ahead and prove to you that this does actually work. So let me go and put my S10 Plus on here, and you can see right there it's charging. So yeah, that's pretty disappointing, man, not gonna lie. So the Galaxy Buds Plus, they play music, but like, yeah, it's kind of disappointing, man. So I don't know whether to pass or fail these things, but let me go and get my original Galaxy Buds case because it could just be the case itself. So we'll see about that. All right, so we got the Buds Plus here, and you can see those are charging. Now let me go and try one more thing, and definitely don't do this at home, but we're about to go ahead and plug these things in. So are you ready? Let's go and do it. Oh, let's see. Nothing. Okay, so yeah, that just straight up don't work. So now let's put the Buds Plus in the Buds case, and there we go. Let's go ahead and see, do we get a light in there? Whoa, yes we do. So those are charging. Whoa, okay then, so it's just a Buds Plus case that don't work. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool to see. So the Buds Plus actually still do charge. So I think it's pretty much just the Buds Plus case that's shot. Now, I still don't have that much hope for these Buds Plus, but that's crazy, man. Now, I'm still gonna get the whole thing replaced, but so far, that's hard. I don't know whether to pass these things or not. I'm assuming nobody really has another case around to charge their Galaxy Buds, so eventually these things are gonna die, obviously. But for right now, I think I can't get these things to pass. I mean, yeah, they are charging in this case right here, but still, like, I doubt, like, anybody's gonna just have a spare case lying around. I mean, yeah, like maybe you can use your friend's Buds case to charge your Galaxy Buds, but no, I can't pass it. It don't get that Jennings stamp of approval, y'all, my bad. So yeah, that was the Galaxy Buds Plus water test. Again, sorry I had to literally record in a car, but not just any car, a Buick. So I'm gonna go and let these things dry for a couple days. I'm gonna go and put it in a bag of rice. I heard this whole rice thing is a myth, like it don't really dry your electronics, but I don't care. I'm gonna go and do it anyway. No, I gotta go ahead and look in that and find my earbud. Oh my God. Let me go and look in this chair here for my earbuds. Let me go and end this video. So, were you surprised by your guess? Let me know in the comments below. But that's going to be pretty much it from me, guys. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But yeah, y'all, so Buzz Plus, this is fun. We should do this some more. Verdict is, if you accidentally leave this in your pants in the washer, they're probably not going to survive. Like, I would just not expect them to survive in the first place, even if they were water resistant. I mean, they are water resistant, but barely. You know what I'm saying. Hopefully next time you don't have to see me in the car to record a video. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.